Hey Jake, Isla, Gemma, and Samantha. Happy Friday. You did a great job this week. Got the Friday side up. I went up with the pineapple theme. I had the pineapple hat and the sparkly pineapple shirt. I thought we'd go a little tropical today. All right, so we started our new chapter yesterday on angles, so we reviewed. So today we're going to learn how we can kind of measure angles. Now this is going to be a 2-day lesson, so don't worry about it. We're going to continue on Monday. So first we'll go over, we know we have our different angles, and we're also going to be talking about circles today. So we have our right angle, our straight angle, our acute angle, and our obtuse angle, and now we can add a circle. So I'm going to show you how we can measure angles in a circle. We measure them in degrees. So a full circle measures 360 degrees. That little symbol is the degree symbol. Now, there is no degree symbol on our keyboard when you type, so you're just going to write out the word degrees, and you'll see that in my example in our Google Doc. Then a right angle measures 90 degrees. A straight angle measures 180 degrees. An obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees, and an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Remember, acute is little, so it's going to be the smallest one. Now, I know this is a little confusing, but like I said, we're continuing on Monday. And we're also going to look at our clock today. Look at this cool clock. My mom just made it. Isn't it awesome? So now what I'm going to have you do is, you don't have to tell me the time, but as a bonus, you can tell me the time. So I'm going to give you a time. We're going to determine what kind of angle it is, and then how does it measure. And that's all we're doing today, just to get started. So I'm going to look at my clock. Okay, so I know it is 3:30. Now we don't have to worry about the time, but I'm telling you, it's a good way to practice. So 3:30. That looks like a right angle. So what you would do on your Google Doc is you're going to write down 3:30. If you want, it's extra credit to write the time. You're going to write down right angle, and then you would write down 90 degrees. So it should look like this. Right angle, 90 degrees, writing out the word. Now on the Google Doc, it tells you there's a little chart that looks just like this. So let's try another one. So I'm going to give you the time. Okay, so I'm going to look at this time. It says, oops, it fell. All right, it's a homemade clock. All right, it says 5 o'clock. I know that is an obtuse angle, so we're going to write down obtuse angle. Then I'm going to look at my chart, which again is on the Google Doc, and I'll put it on our reference. I'll make a new reference sheet for us, and I'm going to say, oh, more than 90 degrees. So I would write down more than 90 degrees. Now I wrote the degree symbol, but you would write out the word degrees. I'll write it out again to show you. Just like that. All right, let's do one more and then you will practice. So I'm going to make another time on our clock. I'm going to do 6 o'clock, right? So it's 6 o'clock. And I'm going to write that down as a bonus. We could practice writing out our time today. I'm going to look at 6 o'clock. That looks like a straight angle. So I'm going to write down straight angle. I'm going to look at my sheet and I see it's 180 degrees. So I'm going to write that down. 180 degrees. Easy. So that is what we are working on today. And like I said, we're just getting started. You don't have to write the time. It's extra credit if you do. It's just great practice on reading a clock. All right, did I tell you don't forget to print out your prize box ticket today? It is Friday, so you can turn it in to me for a fantastic super prize that you guys have all been earning. And it is Friday, so what is it time for? Our dance party. Here we go. All right, great job this week. I hope you're having a fantastic Friday and a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you when we meet. Bye, guys.